Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, we will talk about some of the parameters that can control the response uh, from the model. Uh, so in one of the previous videos, I've shared the link in the description where I just uh, went through how to deploy a model in the Azure AI Studio. So we have the model deployed, and when you go to chat, playground, so you can get started with the chat. So today we will just go and explore some of the parameters that are available. Currently, it's all in default. If you look at it, we'll look at few parameters: max response, temperature, and topic. Uh, so let me just put a question here: can you create an advertisement for an action camera? So if you look at it, we have this. It's uh, introducing the all-new action camera, advanced features, and the works, right? Now, let's look at some of the parameters and see what they are. Max response by default is 800 again. So this actually talks about what is the limit on the number of tokens. Remember that tokens is not equal to the English text words. There can be punctuations and other things. So you can, if you reduce it, it will limit the number of tokens that are used for the response. Uh, temperature. So temperature is a parameter where the higher the values, if it is zero point 0.8 or more, then the response will be more creative. And if it is lower, if you keep it at 0, 1 or whatever, then the response will be very deterministic. Let's just look at it. I'll just, for the demonstration, make it one. I'll create the chat history. We will ask the same question and look at that response. So if you recall, it is uh, a little different from uh, the previous time, and it is chat now. Okay, so now I'll change this temperature to 0. So we got this response. Of course, this is different. Let me clear the chat and ask the same question again. Here, because the value of temperature is 0, you would see pretty much the same or a deterministic content with a small randomness that will always be there. So if you see, it's actually pretty much the same deterministic content that it is showing. And of course, there is a little bit of randomness that would be there. Let's just do this again. So you see some of the keywords, if you can remember: action cam, hiking through mountains, 4K, Ultra HD, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity. So why wait? So 4K Ultra HD, 12 MP, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So why wait? So if you see, the text it generates are uh, pretty much deterministic when the uh, temperature is altered. So higher the value, more creative; lower the value, uh, deterministic. So let's look at top P. So what is TOPY? TOPY is also called nucleus sampling or penalty. It actually specify what is the diversity or quality of the response. Uh, if it is high, it is diverse. If it is low, it's selective. Let's look at how it responds when we vary the value. Okay, and we'll clear it and ask again. Okay, there's something just there, but let's say just put it 0. So we have very similar response when we made the temperature also a lower value. Let's just run it again. So you see, it's more deterministic. So so it is recommended of the OpenAI that you either use temperature or top P, not use both uh, for changing the kind of response that you are looking for in the model. So this is a summary of the three parameters that we looked at today. Max response, the number of tokens, you limit the number of tokens. Temperature, whether you want it to be creative or it is kind of deterministic. Similar in terms of TOPY, where it's more diverse, the response, or it is selective. So we'll look at the other parameters as we, in the future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.